Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Brightlingo. Learn English. I'm Ava, and I'm here with my friend Jack.
Hello, friends. We are happy you're here. If you are someone who understands English but still feels shy or afraid to speak, this lesson is for you.
Yes. Today, we will talk about how to train your brain to speak in English. Not just to understand English, but to think in English and to speak naturally.
So please make sure to relax, take a deep breath, and just listen. Let your mind be calm. This is a soft, gentle lesson, like a friendly English podcast.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Brightlingo Learn English and turn on the bell icon. Let's begin. Why we understand but can't speak. Many English learners tell us something like this. I understand English when I watch videos. I understand English when I listen to music. But when I want to speak, I freeze. I don't know what to say.
Yes, this is very, very common. And there is a simple reason. You have trained your brain to receive English, but you have not trained your brain to produce English.
Think of it like this. If you listen to English a lot, you are input strong. But if you don't speak or practice speaking, you are output weak.
So today, we are going to train output, your ability to speak naturally.
But don't worry, we will do it step by step in a very gentle way.
Small steps, simple English. You don't need big vocabulary to speak. You just need simple words that you know very well.
For example, instead of thinking, I should demonstrate my viewpoint clearly, you can say, I want to say what I think clearly.
Simple, natural, easy. When English feels easy, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, speaking becomes possible.
Let's start a small conversation. Okay, now we will practice a very simple, real-life conversation. Please listen first. Then later, you will repeat with us.
Conversation example 1. Meeting a new friend. Hi, my name is Jack. What's your name?
Hello, Jack. I'm Ava. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ava. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Eva.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Very good. Even simple sentences like these help your brain create English, not just understand English. Now we will learn how to think in English. Thinking in English means don't translate from your language. See the picture in your mind and say the English word directly.
I will say a word. You imagine the picture, then repeat the word. Water, sun, chair, coffee, smile.
Good. This is how children learn language. They see the picture, they say the word. No translation. This trains your brain to think in English. Now we will imagine small daily situations. We will speak slowly and clearly. Just listen first.
I wake up. I open the window. I drink water. I breathe. I feel calm.
I say to myself, today is a new day. I can learn. I can grow. I can speak English.
Hello, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like milk?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you repeat. I wake up. I drink water. I can learn. I can speak English.
Hello, can I have a coffee, please? Yes, please. Thank you.
Sometimes we are not afraid of English. We are afraid of people judging us.
Yes. But remember this. Every language learner makes mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
When you speak, don't try to be perfect. Just try to be clear.
Say this with us. It's okay to make mistakes.
Now you speak with us. We will ask a question. You answer. Don't worry about mistakes.
Question 1. What time do you wake up?
Question 2. What is your favorite drink?
Question 3. What is one thing you want to improve in English?
Good job. You are speaking. Even if no one hears you, your brain hears you. And that is important. Here are some phrases you can say inside your mind every day.
I don't need perfect English. I just need to speak. I am improving every day. I am learning English slowly and gently. My English voice is growing.
Repeat one more time.
I am improving every day. Today we learned. You already understand English. Now you are learning to speak. Use simple sentences. Think in pictures, not translation. Speak slowly, calmly, naturally. Mistakes are part of learning.
And remember, your English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be alive.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Your English is growing gently, step by step.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Brightlingo, learn English, and leave a comment.
I am improving every day.
We will reply and support you. We are learning together.
You are doing great. Really. If you want to speak English more confidently, subscribe to Brightlingo and stay with us on this journey. Thank you for watching. See you next time.